For today's lab, the target is uh, creating line chart, drill down line chart, area chart, waterfall chart, gauge chart. As well, you can explore other charts also from the visualization tool. So you can see here your bar charts, line charts and its variations, waterfall chart, maps, KPIs, gauge charts. So you can see the charts visual in the visualization tool. This learning I had uh, of Power BI when I attended this FDP, and expert was Shashikant Eghai Tadak. So my learnings are derived from them. So let us have a look at this. Now coming to the views, we'll go to the table view and you can see that we have this is sample superstore data set, and this sample superstore data set has various fields like category is one field, sales is one field, profit is one field, countries, city are other fields. We also have ordered date as one field, is it not? So let us quickly check. You can see here the line chart, and we had selected the region, and region has these different colors, is it not? And this is the I have to pick up the line chart, and you can see here what are the fields we had taken. One is order date, one is region, and the other one is sales, is it not? So on the x-axis we have kept the order date, and on the y-axis we have kept the sales, and you can have legends also. You can have legends also. So this is our line chart. Now coming to drill down line chart, you can see again this four regions: central, east, south, west, having different colors, and we can drill down by clicking on this drill mode. And when we say about drill down, you can see the same fields are there: order date, region, sales are there, and we can drill down the order date to different drilling down, like year to quarter, quarter to month, month to days, like that. This is the drill down chart. Then you have the area chart. Again, when I click on the area chart, I can see the order date, region and sales, and on the x-axis we have order date, and on the y-axis we have the sales. So next comes the waterfall chart. You can see in the waterfall chart you have increase in sales, decrease in sales, total sales of different categories, that too in different years. So for them also we have the same fields: order date and sales, and you can see the categories, order date on the x-axis and sales on the y-axis. Coming to gauge chart, you have the gauge chart here. This one is the gauge chart, and you see the sales, and there is one more field created here called as the target sales. That this target sales field you can create by going to the home tab and selecting the new measure, and for the new measure maybe you can give the target sales. As you can see in the gauge chart, this is not fully occupied, is it not? What it indicates, this is partially occupied. So this is the total sales equivalent, 2.3. But you can see here, this measure is the double the measure. And what is this is? This is the target sales. And target sales, how we achieved? By clicking on new measure and by creating a new field called as the target sales. And as well, you can create this kind of visual for the sales. So this is the target for us today in Power BI.